To open SIM tray on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, we need to get the SIM eject tool, this little pin over here that you can find inside the box of this phone. I have mine over here. And now what we need to do is take a look at the bottom of this phone, because over here we have the SIM tray. And we can also find this little hole over here on the left side, and we need to insert the pin into that hole and then just push it in until the SIM tray comes out just a little bit. And once it comes out a little bit, we need to use our fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray. And this is how it looks like. So here we have the SIM tray. It looks like this. Over here, as you can see, we have SIM 1. And at the back, in this case, we also have SIM 2, although I'm not sure if we have dual SIM on every version. So now in order to insert the SIM card, we need to match the shape that we have over here. And just place the SIM card inside. You need to keep in mind that the slot is really loose, so if you, for example, turn over and you don't support it with your finger, then you will just lose the SIM card, unfortunately. Most likely, at least. And then, of course, at the back we can do the same thing. And once we insert, you can keep holding with your fingers so that you don't lose your SIM card, just in case. And then just put it back in, insert it back into the phone. There we go, and push it with your finger and make sure that the SIM tray is fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!